Hello opinions, welcome. Well, today I have to show you a pretty nice and interesting news. This one comes in from OpenShot, and they just had a huge release. I'm gonna show you here on their website. Right now it's beta, I know, but well, I decided to show you anyways. We can go on download, and you can see this is the current version 2.0.6, but it's a PPA. I mean, it's a beta number 3, and well, you can only get it through a PPA on Linux, and that would be for Ubuntu. And if you're on Debian or Arch or Gentoo, you will have to build it, I think. So these are the new animations, the new features: smoother animation, audio quality improvements, autosave. This was for me crucial because OpenShot sometimes it just crashes, and now you can autosave and recover your work. So project film improvements, improved exception handling, also preference improvements, and some more bug fixes and updates. So I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna use a rather unusual method, and that would be using the Windows version. I'm going to download that. I'm gonna show you that in case you're in an Ubuntu distribution and you're feeling kind of lazy, you don't want to build it. So this I will show you just how to do it. I'm gonna pause the video for now. Okay, it is downloaded. So now I can show you how to install it. I'm gonna use an application. This one is called Wine. So it should be on your repos. If you're using Puppy, that should be a way to install it. They always make it easy to install Wine. Again, utilities, system. You go into your SFS manager, and from here you choose it should be the 32-bit compatibility layer, and also Wine. You want to choose Wine and also the Wine depths or dependencies, and you can choose where to download it for the fastest mirror. I already did that. I have it here on my SFS queue. I'm just gonna load it. That's Wine 1.7 and Wine dependencies. Add that. Click apply. Will tell me that it successfully loaded those one. You want to keep this for boot? Yes, why not? Exit out of that. And now I need to install Wine, but you're not gonna get a menu entry unless that's what I discovered on Fatdog. There isn't a menu entry to run Wine. And I'm really not a huge Wine user, so again, I made just a quick search, and you're supposed to use something called the Wine file. That's the program. Okay, you see it's telling me that error because I need the 32-bit compatibility layer. So again, I'm going to install that one. Already downloaded it. And nope, it's not downloaded. Okay. So it should be on a partition. Let's see, SDA 13. And it's this one. When it's right here, when it's downloaded, you can just right click and load your SFS file. Okay. So I now should be able to run Wine file. Okay, there's making the directory. It's actually writing into the hard drive. And then we can go into the C folder and explore the program files. You can see right now we have common files and Internet Explorer. how we want to install it. So we will need to go to our root folder because that's where we're working in Puppy. And then remember when you put it, I put it in Spot, Downloads, Downloads folder. Whoa. Okay, so you get like, okay, you get like another window here. Okay, and then Downloads. Hey, but I don't see anything. Check it out. Okay, Spot, Downloads. Okay, so this is just the way it's working right now because of my setup. But let's see. Well, here it is. Spot, OpenShot, Video Editor, OpenShot Video Editor 2.0.6. You can see there is a Win32 file, .msi. So just double click like you would, and it's gonna tell you. It's gonna take you through the installer. Next. Okay, we click on Finish, and now it should be installed under the program files or the C drive. Okay. See if I can just go up again, refresh. See, okay, the root. You were supposed to find it under program files, and let's see, common files, system. Okay, let's see. Able to resolve program menu folder. Okay. Let's see if I can restart it. Exit out of this one. Go again. Browse the C file. See program files again. And there it is, OpenShot. Open it up and let's just launch the file that we need, which is called launch.exe. That's for executable. And there it is. Wow, that looks pretty cool, really, really cool. Okay, so let's see the version that we have about OpenShot 2.0.6. Okay, cool. Let's see the preferences because this was the update. So we're using Humanity Dark, and we're using Blender, of course, to make your 3D animations, and Inkscape to make the titles. Okay, your profiles. Autosave, you can change here. Autosave from 3, maybe to 5 or 10. I will leave it in 3. That seems to be like a reasonable number. You can also activate debug mode, verbose, or set anonymous metrics. Okay, let's see if I can add in a file. See, add in a video. Okay, open. Maybe this one, to see how it behaves. Remember, this is a beta, so it may not be working, but you can still make some changes. And I don't do a lot of editing on my videos, but maybe with OpenShot, with this new release, I will be making more because it just really looks and feels really smooth. Let's see if I can add in another maybe an image. Okay, screenshot. And you can also change the length. There it would be sort of like a transition, or it would fade in from one transition to the other. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I mean, this is pretty awesome. OpenShot really cannot wait for the final release. I hope that you'll give it a go. Tell me your experience. Maybe you didn't use Wine. Maybe you're on Windows or on Mac or on Ubuntu. I mean, who knows, right? Okay, Papinians, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Goodbye.